I made over $500 in a single day trading using this simple indicator that you see on my screen. And all I was doing was following the trade alerts that I was getting from the indicator. Just uh, then implementing the trades that I was getting from the indicator. Okay, which is another advantage of using an indicator, because it does not automatically place trades for you, which means that you have the flexibility of opening and closing trades when you want and when you feel like. So I'm going to show you guys how I was trading trades using this indicator, so that if you have it, you can actually see how exactly you can get sniper entries from this indicator. I got all my trades right just by following this simple indicator. Right here is a typical example of the type of trades that I like to take with this indicator, where we have this yellow zone as well as an entry signal from the indicator. So this is we're on boom 1000 right now. As you can see, boom 1000, 5-minute time frame. Gonna enter into some sell trades just now, because initially we also have been on that sell trajectory, but my target is very close. We're just scalping this and just trying to take advantage of the pips that we see right there, because we know for sure it's going to drop somewhere to around this last candlestick level. So we're just going to get those few pips because we already are in a downtrend. As you can see, the indicator has been giving us multiple sell entries all along. So based on this as well, that we are on the yellow zone, you'll see how price will drop. Okay, update on boom 1000. Look at that. We literally entered into that trade risk free based on the setup and analysis and signal from the indicator. And I told you guys, these types of trades, they always cash in. If you just have the indicator, you definitely recover your money just by trading these simple setups. There's no need for you to complicate anything. There's no need for you to be looking for strange and big setups. You just have to get into the guaranteed trades that you find and get your profits and jump out. So I'll probably be monitoring this trade, because it's now on the last candle that I told you, and it will probably bounce there or right here on the next buy entry. Okay, guys, as usual, you know that we pick a winner for the indicator in each and every video that I post. So in this video, our winner is this account. Basically said, not you're not just trading indicator, you actually teach price action in addition. And that's actually true, because I always say this indicator is following a price action strategy. And I always show you guys the levels and the zones that it creates, the blue and the yellow zone, and what you should do in them. So congratulations to this account. Please contact us. My number will be available in our Telegram channel. The link is right here in the description. Just click this link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, where you can join and get my contact details, and you'll be able to receive your indicator. Okay, guys, so right now I am on boom 900. We're in the 1-minute time frame, and we also got a sell entry signal from the indicator. So we're gonna take that sell trade, and we're gonna see basically how far this will go. I'm not going to tell you anything, guys. I just want us to see how this will go, so that you'll be able to see if the indicator works even in the 1-minute time frame or not. So let's see how far that trade will go. We could have literally entered into this trade with full margin and would have collected all the pips. I told you guys, sell, boom, 900, 1-minute time frame with scalping. It's a guaranteed trade. Look at this. We've been selling all along. So definitely the next sell entry is going to pay off. This is how the indicator works, right? Simple statistics. You never go wrong. This one would have managed to make profit. This one would have managed to make profit. This one even worse, because we are in that yellow zone that I always talk about. All these ones are just now confirmations for you to know the type of trade to enter. You can't enter into a buy trade if you have this indicator, because you'll be seeing something like this. Okay, so this is how you use the indicator effectively. Okay, the indicator just gave us an entry, a sell entry, a late in the 5 minute time frame. We are on boom 600 right now, and we got this sell entry. We've been selling for quite some time, so I think let's just secure our position and see how it goes. I'm just following what the indicator is saying, guys. And at the end of this video, we're going to see if the indicator is really as powerful as we say. So right now, I'm just going to wait for price to move, and then I'll update you on how it goes. Okay, look at this risk-free drop on boom 600. I told you guys, we're selling boom 600 in the 5 minute time frame based on this entry that we got on the indicator. That's it. Our target is this blue zone, because we know from the blue zone we usually buy up. So we're going to take our partial profits and wait to see if we're not going to break this one and head for this one. But it's a nice sell setup. We've been selling all along. I told you guys, if you've got previous sell entries from the indicator, the next sell entry that you see, you should definitely take it, because it is going to make you some profit. So this one would have made you profit. This one would have made you profit. This one would have made you profit. This one, even worse, we are in this yellow zone that we always talk about. And this one as well in the yellow zone. That was the beginning of the trend. So let's just say these first two are just there to act as confirmations, which means that these last three should have made you profit, which means that if another one appears right there, it should make you profit, just based on what the indicator has been saying before, right? So it's a simple way of trading when you have the indicator, because you're basically getting into the statistical advantage of what the indicator had said before. Okay, so if it was a sell setup, it's continuously going to sell, right? Because it's basically following a trend, right? We are a little bit late on this trade. This is crash 900. We got a sell entry from the indicator itself, which means that we'll be catching spikes, right? Because crash is crashing. So we are a little bit late, but we're going to secure our position right there. Okay, we are in. We're expecting it to drop to somewhere around this buy entry or this previous candle. We're a little bit late. We could have actually managed to catch some of the spikes right here, but I missed the entry. But nonetheless, the entry is still there, so there is still some chance for us to win. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's a big drop on boom 1000. You guys know that boom 1000 is very it's a high pip value. It's got a very high pip, so it's gonna pay you a lot. Just a few pips. You can see what I was talking about right there. Okay, we are slightly in profit, guys, on boom, on crash 900. Sorry, remember we said we're taking a sell trade based on that, and we've just managed to get in some profit, but we are not yet there. We want to continue going down. Let's drop to somewhere this level, and then we'll be satisfied. But already, just by following the indicator, we're already seeing the light of this trade. The indicator just gave us a buy entry opportunity on crash 500. I think there's an opportunity for us that we might actually push all the way up, based even on price action. So we're going to lock in our position right there. Hopefully price is going to go up. And the other thing is, also in this blue zone, and we said if we get an entry in our blue zone, that's a very strong signal. So there you go, that's the signal. We are right in. Let's wait and see how this trade is going to perform right now. Okay, you can doubt the indicator, guys, but you cannot doubt the results. Look at that simple trade setup. Sell based on the previous sell entries, and just wait. I'm not closing my trade. because it has actually reached my first take profit. So I'm actually closing it. You can see I close it right there, and probably price is going to bounce. I'm just waiting for a new entry. If I get a new sell entry, I'm going to jump in back because I know price is going to head over here. Okay, look at that. We just received our spike. I told you guys price is going to bounce at this level, and it just bounced right in our eyes. I don't know what's happening with MT5. That spike. Let me show you on the phone. It's what? Boom 600, guys. Boom 600. Let me show you the spike that just occurred. That one. And I said it right now, so we can literally use the indicator to do some spike catching. As you can see, just when we closed, the spike came. So you can actually trade dodging spikes with this indicator. That was brilliant, guys. What did I tell you guys? I told you sell crash 900. We're going to catch some spikes based on the indicator, of course. And look at that big spike that came right away. Still expecting it to drop even further more. I can actually hold this trade for days if it wants me to do that, because I can see that we have some potential to even drop further down. But we are in profit right now based on what the indicator said. So you can do spike catching, like I said, with the indicator. It's very simple. You just follow what it is giving you. I don't know if it's going to give us another spike on camera. That would be nice. But that was a big spike. And look at the entry. Just look at the entry. That's a sniper entry right there, based on the indicators. So I don't know if we're going to continue waiting for this. I'll keep updating you. We are going to the moon with crash 500. I told you guys that buy entry right there. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good signal right there. And it's flying. It's flying. It's flying, guys. I told you where it's headed. I told you where it's headed. I actually sent the signal in our VIP signals group. You can see that setup right there on crash. 500, nice buy entry, and people are going to see some profit as well based on this trade. So yeah, if you want to join a VIP signals group, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and you comment down below, because I'll be picking winners from the comment section, just like I give away the indicator. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Crash 500 to the moon. Look at that entry, guys. With good capital and good profits with this indicator, I'm telling you, there's no way you're not going to get your money back from this indicator. Okay, guys, at this point, we can literally call it a day. Look at Boom 1000. That trade setup that I told you. As long as you have got a signal entry on your yellow box, jump in hard, because it's going to fall hard like that. Okay, so we're there in profit. Boom 1000 has been killed totally. Banged in some profits. Let me show you the profits that we made, guys, because we did not just only make money on Boom 1000. Yo, the entries from the indicator are crazy. Look at that. Look at all the pips that we collected. That's the entry. And I told you once again, you have the blue zone, and you've got an entry in that blue zone. Take that trade. It's going to make you money. Look at that. Simply by using the indicator, no analysis. And remember, we send this in the VIP signals group as well, and people are actually making profits out of it. Simple trade setup. We've been buying all along, and we also have this. So now I'm projecting my profits Don't forget to like this video and join our free Telegram platform. All you have to do is to click the link in the description box below, and you'll be able to join the group for free. There are over 10,000 traders in that group, so it's a good trading community for you. I'm closing my trades based on the fact that we're hitting this previous high, so we might actually see a turn around in that scenario. But it's been great trading with the indicator. Tell me guys what you think about it in the comment section. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to stand a chance to win the indicator or the VIP signal spot. Until next time.